I often get asked, why did you set up the Get Legally Speaking podcast? So let me explain. After setting up my law firm, Red Bar Law, almost a decade ago, what quickly became apparent to me is the lack of basic legal knowledge that we have as a society. The level of inquiries coming in from prospective clients were, and still are, anything from how do I get the divorce process started to my ex-partner will not allow me to see my children as I wish, to those who are not married and simply cohabiting under the impression that separation would mean that they were in some form common law husband and wife. Apart from the fact that there is no such thing as a common law husband and wife, having a business in the legal profession also started to make me aware of how difficult it is for everyday people to access clear legal information if their pockets weren't deep and their bank balances did not allow. The law is not the most exciting subject to everyday people, and it really isn't the kind of topic that you would think, I know, I'll just go and read a few pages on the law. Yet it affects every single one of us in our everyday lives. From our purchases as consumers, to buying or renting a property, to getting married or divorced, or having to deal with an unruly landlord or tenant, to our driving laws. Perhaps having to deal with the legal challenges we face in business, such as business partner disputes or disputes with your clients or customers or suppliers, employees. The law is everywhere, every day. I'm on a real mission to bring jargon-free legal conversation and advice to you on every legal subject that I can, all for free. In just over 1 year, Get Legally Speaking has published over 90 episodes, and we are listened to in over 100 countries with over 70,000 download listeners per month. And the numbers are still growing. Do go over to our website at getlegallyspeaking.com and get legally speaking. The other question I get asked is, what is your role at Red Bar Law if you are not a solicitor? Well, whilst I am not a solicitor and I am SRA regulated, and I did not study and qualify as a solicitor, my legal training and my education has come from working side by side with the best in the business, barristers who deliver the highest legal opinion, and lots of them. I work hard and diligently for all of my clients, bringing results year on year to their legal matters. I actually believe that not being a trained solicitor gives me a great advantage to understand my clients and to think as my clients would. Having not lost a case in the history of my firm is a great fact, and it is testimony to the quality and high level legal assistance that Red Bar Law delivers. I guess I am a little unique by not being a lawyer, being from a minority group in London as a woman who loves working as a legal professional, set up my own law firm, balancing motherhood, wifehood, looking after my parents, my family, whilst loving the fact that I can bring all of this to you. Now, off to cook my dinner for this evening, a great Thai curry recipe from none other than the great Jamie Oliver.